Examiners of the market think that XLM could hit 32 cents by 2025. The price of Stellar Lights on the market is expected to be 7 cents in 2023. Stellar Lights presentation Stellar Lumens is an alternative cryptocurrency based on the XLM image. After the 2017 cryptocurrency hype bubble, altcoins became very popular. Stellar Lumens is one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies by market capitalization. However, due to XLM's poor performance in previous years, it has once again fallen out of the top 10. Recently, Stellar Lumens has started to do well, giving financial back to the investors. This piece is meant to give a thorough technical and central analysis as well as a cost estimate. By the end, you should have a better idea of how high Stellar Lumens could go and if it is a good investment. What are Stellar Lumens? The Stellar Foundation is a non-profit group that helps with the development and use of the Stellar Light payment system. Jed McCalop, who was a pioneer for both Mt. Gox and the altcoin wave, set up the company in 2014. He worked closely with Stripe president Patrick Collinson on the project. Collinson and Stripe gave Stellar more than $3 million in seed money. Since then, Stellar has gotten help from a few other people. The local digital currency resource that runs the Stellar blockchain network is called Lumen. This is in spite of the Stellar establishment's contribution. It gives people without bank accounts access to a large store and a way to move money at a very low cost. Stellar is completely decentralized, and most people say that the blockchain-based group that runs Stellar is faster and cheaper than others. In the long run, all things being equal, Stellar Lumens are neither mined nor spread. When the Stellar organization went live, 100 billion XLM coins were made. At first, a 1% increase was made to the stock of Stellar every year. However, the community decided to end this inflationary cycle, so the stock of Stellar Lumens was cut in half. This left only 50 billion XLM tokens, of which 20 billion bought were sold and used on the open market. The remaining 30 billion are held by the Stellar. Stellar Lumens has given the drive the credibility and sincerity that it really needed in the crypto world. At any time, the least amount that XLM cost was $0. 100 seats, but it once reached a record high of 93 cents at 63 satoshis. Also, after reaching a record high on the BTC exchange pair, Stellar's value dropped a lot because of the bad market. The altcoin was one of the worst performers for 2 years in a row. Its high was only 16 cents, while its low was 4 cents per XLM and 470 satoshi. After a year of falling steadily, XLM spiked to 73 cents per token, but this high wasn't sustained, and XLM dropped. Stellar Lights are worth 9 cents as of right now. USD XLM has moved 2.02% so far, with a trading volume of 42,544, 1461. Stellar Lumens is currently ranked 27th among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $2,475,545,623 Using the overall strength file, the moving weighted normal Williams fractal, and the moving normal intermingling dissimilarity from the diagram above, we can figure out cost designs for Steam. Market information and all other information are updated live on our site. This lets us make dynamic price predictions based on how the market is moving right now. Stellar Light Value Expectation 2023 Stellar Lumens, from some points of view, is one of the most surprising digital currencies to rise this year. The XLM price estimate for 2023 predicts a big rise in the last part of the year, maybe up to 13 cents. Other digital currencies are also expected to rise a lot this year. The climb will be stable, but there shouldn't be big drops. An average price of 12 cents is very high, but it's possible sooner rather than later given the planned joint efforts and progress. The base value of XLM should be 10 cents. Stellar brightness value forecast for 2024 out of 2024. Stellar Lumens XLM price prediction has a lot of room to grow because of the expected declarations of many new organizations and drives. We think that the price of XLM will soon be higher than 22 cents. Before putting down any bullish trades, we should wait to see if the XLM's general strength file comes out of the oversold zone. Taking into account the uncertainty of the market, the base exchange rate for XLM will be 17 cents, and the average exchange rate will be 19 cents. Stellar Lumens price prediction for 2025. If the upward trend continues until 2025, it could hit 31 cents, and XLM could benefit. If the market goes down, the goal may not be reached. In 2025, the average price of XLM should be 28 cents and the lowest price should be 26 cents. Stellar Light value expectation 2026. If Stellar Lights works well enough to support how people who like digital money feel about the market, the price of an XLM coin could stay the same for the next 5 years, according to our predictions. In 2026, XLM is expected to reach and beat its all-time high. In that year, the virtual cash will be worth 40 cents, with a base price of 35 cents and an average price of 37 cents. Stellar Light value expectation. After a lot of thinking and technical research, we think the XLM price will reach a usual level of 46 cents by 2027, with a base price of 44 cents expected before the end of the year. XLM has a highest value of 49 cents. Stellar Lumens value forecast 2028. Based on things that are supposed to happen by 2028, we think that a bullish trend will keep pushing the average price up to around 55 cents. If XLM manages to break the safe level in 2028, the price could go as high as 58 cents. If XLM doesn't get the help it needs by 2028, the price could go as low as 53 cents. Stellar Light value expectation 2029. While XLM is working to make it easier for companies to work together, the positive trend from last year is expected to continue, so the base exchange cost has been set at 62 cents and the annual cost is expected to be close to 67 cents in 2029. The amount of stellar lumens is expected to be 2030 by 2030. Stellar Lights will finally do better than its previous ADH values and set new cost records. The base price could be 71 cents, and the highest price could be 76 cents. On average,